Hi, my name is Meredith Moss, and I chose the first prompt for my exam mini video 4. A DNA molecule is made of two strands that form a double helix shape. Each one of these strands is made up of thymine, adenine, cysteine, and guanine. These are often represented with just A, C, G, and T. The two DNA strands are complementary and they run in opposite directions of another, so the direction of replication is always going to be 5' to 3', and nucleotides are only added to the 3' end. So the first step in DNA replication is to separate the strands, so if you can almost think about them unzipping from one another. This is the result of a helicase enzyme that breaks down the hydrogen bonds as the replication fork moves along the DNA. So just like imagine a zipper being the replication fork separating these two strands. So in this photo, the top strand is the leading strand. You can see that green arrow continuously circling around it. That is because the DNA replication here is continuous. It doesn't stop. The bottom strand will be the lagging strand, and these two arrows that you see would be the Okazaki fragments, and these Okazaki fragments are because of the burst of synthesis. Both strands can't be the continuous strand or the leading strand because the bottom strand with the Okazaki fragments is moving in the opposite direction, so that wouldn't work. Because of these synthesis bursts, the Ozaki fragments, the lagging strand never comes up complete like the leading strand. It always falls a little bit short. This would be a huge problem if we didn't have the enzyme telomerase to complete the end of this strand. It would cause like a little bit of DNA to get clipped off after every replication, and you would lose that genetic material. So at the end of replication, a process called ligation occurs, and this uses ligase to seal the strand back together so it's that double helix once again. The purpose of the 5' to 3' exonuclease activity is to proofread and repair as well as remove primers. If it didn't occur, there would be an issue with the primers not being removed and we would have more mutations. Thank you all for your time.